Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a brand new update on Crow, the Crypto.com coin. Currently in a downtrend right now, down a little over 7% in the last 24 hours, 69 cents. Volume coming down by about 32%. Guys, we're below that 70-cent mark. It's getting time to look into buying. This is not financial advice, but when we're in the 60-cent range, this is a great opportunity, as just last week we dipped down to about 65 cents. So once again, if we're heading lower, I am definitely going to be keeping a close eye on Crow because I'm looking to pick some up, and I suggest you guys keep an eye on it. Now, as we continue, whether we're going to head lower or higher, I'll continue to give you guys updates, but things are looking very interesting, especially because the entire global crypto market is actually in the green right now, currently at 2.6 trillion, up about 1.3%. Most of all the coins are in the green. Now Bitcoin down but by 0.14%, so not too bad. Still in this healthy $57,000 range. Having trouble getting out of the $57,000, $58,000 range. Just can't seem to break out into the 60,000. Ethereum nearing the $4,500 range. And as we see, if we go down the list, everything in the green. Some not by much, by 0.5% or so, as Polkadot here. But as we go down the list, here we are, Crypto.com. We're in 14th place by market cap. Now, obviously, with the price slipping, we could continue to go a little lower. However, just last week, we did at one point beat SHIB, and we were in 12th place, and we were battling for 12th place and 13th place. But eventually, SHIB had some momentum. As you can see right now, it's up almost 20%. So we kind of lost our spot. And then out of nowhere, Terra Luna came into place, which is a very good investment in my opinion. Now, even though we're down about 7-8%, I'm still very bullish on Crow, and I still believe we're going to hit that dollar mark by the end of this year, and still on target for $2 by the end of 2022. Now, this coin, Crypto.com, had a lot of momentum with all the positive news coming out, with the Staples Center Arena being renamed, Matt Damon being the spokesperson advertising, and all the marketing campaigns and all the partners that they have, UFC, Saint Germain, just to name a few. But we did see the super hype on this that pushed it from, in the last month or so. If we just take a look at the 30-day, you can see how we're still up by over 234%. So we did get so much momentum. There was a lot of FOMO. I believe there's a lot of people FOMO'd into this one, thinking this would be the next top coin. But every day, every week, there's always one, or actually many more than one, hot altcoins, and people are always like selling what they have. People don't have patience nowadays, I find. So since this didn't hit $1, people sell it, and then they go on to the next coin, whether it's going to be, say, Tom, it's going to be SHIB, they'll go on to the next one, it's Zombie, Inu, they'll just keep kind of like jumping ship. So people that are in this, or got in this like below this price, are still in the green. They're still looking good, because I think we're going to head higher and break that all-time high of that 96 cents. Now, I do have some news to go over. I want to take a look at this article here. So right here on Investor Place, Crypto.com has utility compelling to crypto spectics. Now right here explains some of the action right here. Like other cryptocurrencies, Crypto.com coin has surged in 2021, delivering incredible gains to investors, especially anyone who bought in early. Beginning of the year, Crow was at 5 cents, almost 6 cents. That's remarkable return of over 1,100%. So in less than a year, 1,100% return, that is phenomenal, right? It doesn't get much better than that. All right, so getting more into the meat and potatoes of this article. So right here, there's one major factor that makes Crow stand out from most worthless altcoins. It has utility, and this is absolutely correct. So many altcoins out there are just hype, or just pump, or they're feeding off another popular coin. We've seen this with a lot of the dog meme coins. Now, with Crow, we have utility, so let's get right into this. Okay, so onto this part, the utility of Crypto.com coin. So I do not know if Crypto.com will succeed in being major Web3 platform. It seems like a bold bet. What is true now, though, is that Crypto.com app has more than 10 million users and plenty of useful features. So buying and selling crypto with advanced trading, investing in NFTs, holding a Crypto.com card, access to loans, earning up to 14.5% annually, earning interest from DeFi protocols, accepting crypto payments as a merchant. And of course, another very important factor that adds credibility to Crypto.com is its electric money institution license from the Malta Financial Service Authority. It is the first cryptocurrency platform to receive this license, and it's what allows the company to issue cards. At Crypto.com coin partnership, so they have a huge number of partnerships. So Crypto.com has a strategic partnership with Ledger, holding all user cryptocurrencies offline in cold storage. This company has a strong focus on security. So this is very important, people, very important. So guys, not too shabby at all. Got a lot of utility, tons of users on the app. They're very focused on security and have major partners in the game. As you can see, we've mentioned this on many videos before, but F1, UFC, Paris Saint-Germain, Aston Martin, all these amazing partners. And of course, Matt Damon being like the spokesperson in the marketing advertising campaign. So more than a number of reasons to get invested. Price got down a little lower. Now we're at 68 cents. But like I say, guys, once we start getting to 64, I don't think it's really going to go below that 64, 65 cent range, because I think at that point, more people are just going to come in, scoop it up, and drive the price up slightly higher and bring us back into that 70 cent range. Now, are we going to skyrocket back to $1? I think by the end of the year we'll get there, but it's going to take some time. We're not going to go all the way in a couple of days as we saw last week with that FOMO into it. But if the global crypto market starts to just skyrocket, then anything's possible and we could see $1, by the end of the week. But if it's going the way it is, where it's going up and down every day, one day it's up 3%, the next day it's down 2%, and it's kind of flip-flopping, then it's going to take some time, but end of the year is the target. All right, guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.